So I was looking for a cheap portable table saw, and I came across this Workzone small table saw from Aldi. It cost about £60, 60 to 70, I can't remember. It's the first table saw I've owned. I've got to admit, so I've got nothing to compare it to, and I've only really used it for outdoorsy things like building sheds, so I don't know how refined it is to use, but I'll give you a look at it. So you've got the guard here, it's the plastic standard guard, and you can attach a pipe on here to filter out all the sawdust. And you've got the blade, so you can adjust the height of the blade. There's a knob down here. Gradually adjust the height of the blade. You can also adjust the angle of the blade here, on and off switch, and you can adjust the fence, so you can vary the thickness of what you want to cut. It comes with various accessories like those there, depending on what you want to cut. It comes with its own little push stick, plastic one, which is fine. And it does have little legs on here, so you can extend this out depending on the width of the wood that you're cutting. It also has an outlet here, and you can see it's been blasting the sawdust out. I've got nothing on there, I'm just going to sweep this up later on. Not sure how many decibels it is. I'll turn it on for you. Fairly noisy. I mean, I don't expect a lot. It's only a cheap one, but I've had no complaints. So there it is if you're thinking of getting one. This one is about as cheap as it gets, and it's pretty good quality. It's quite sturdy, it does the job. I've just been cutting some wood. There's an example. Just cut this. Does a pretty good job, as long as you don't push it through. You can swap out the blade, that is the original blade there. A fairly nice little piece of kit, I'm happy with it, and I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.